Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain Samsung Galaxy A53 hard reset pattern unlock. Press the power key plus volume down simultaneously and select the power off option. Connect your phone to the computer using a Type-C cable. Push volume up and power button simultaneously. Release all buttons when the Samsung logo appears and wait for the recovery mode menu to appear. Navigate to Wipe Data or Factory Reset using the volume keys and confirm with the power button. Proceed to Factory Data Reset using the same buttons as before. Select Reboot System now using the power button. During this process, all your files will be removed. After the reset is complete, your phone will revert to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.